Up to this point, we've learned how to verify and buffer an entire string. But what if we want to only buffer or verify a specific part of a string? Well, in this lesson, we will learn how to buffer dynamic data within a string without buffering the static portions around it. We're also therefore able to verify the static data in the string while excluding the dynamic portion from the comparison. So how does dynamic comparison work? Let's look at an example. The order successful message in SAP. We have the message itself, and then we have the generated order number. Therefore, the string is a combination of static and dynamic data. To buffer the unique order number, I will need to exclude the rest of the string from the buffer and only buffer the order number. Additionally, because the order number is unique every time I generate a new order, I cannot verify the static success message without excluding the order number from the comparison. So what if in the same step we want to both verify and buffer? Taking from the example above, we both want to verify that the order was successfully created and also buffer the order number for later use. To do this, Tricentis introduces dynamic comparisons, also called XB. This allows you to verify the static portion of a dynamic string or value by excluding only the dynamic portion from the verification. Simultaneously, we also buffer the dynamic part. The syntax for XB is curly bracket, XB, square bracket, buffer name, and close both brackets. Buffer name here is the variable name that you're assigning to your new buffer being created within this step. With XB, you must always use the action mode verify, not buffer. The XB expression then simply takes the place of the dynamic string in your Tosca verification. So how does this look in an actual example? Here's our create sales order process in SAP. On the status bar, we see the order successful message. It contains the string, standard order, and then the number of the order we just generated in the system. After that, we have has been saved. The strings standard order and has been saved are static, but the number itself changes every time. So to verify that this message appears, we can't use the order number itself because it will be different each time we run the test case. Instead, we use XB to exclude the order number and only verify the text standard order while buffering the number. Let's name it order number. For the has been saved string, we can also use an asterisk or wildcard to tell Tosca to exclude it from the verification. We put a space in between the XB command and the asterisk to signal that the buffer part has ended, and then we can add the asterisk. If you want to use the order number later, for example to reopen the order or to enter the existing order number elsewhere, simply recall it by using the syntax curly bracket B, square bracket, order number, close both brackets. Alright, so now we can close the transaction using the module SAP Toolbar. Fill in /n for the transaction code and press enter.